Good Saturday morning, everybody. I'm Vice Forecaster JD Rapp with you back in the Illinois Stormwatch Weather Center. Folks, we're getting some strong thunderstorms right now, are producing some very strong to damage and straight line winds. So maybe Isaac can come on and maybe help for a second. If you just join us from home, whatever you're doing right now, we have the National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued some strong to severe thunderstorm warnings, and we got a tornado warning too right now. Includes. All right, the tornado warning has just got lifted, so we gotta have to watch this. So, folks, we got. This is why we came on. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning, eastern Floating County and western Illinois, central Tazewell County and central Illinois, north central Mason counties and central Illinois and southwestern Peoria counties in central Illinois through 1 a.m. At 12:12, a severe thunderstorm located along a line extending from Kenton to Mooney from 45 miles an hour. So this is booking at 45 miles an hour. Hazardous. 80 miles of gust, 80 miles of wind. This is dangerous storm. 80 miles of wind and golf ball size hail. So, if you live in any of these communities in Metro, State, Pekin, Green Valley, or Dorovan, this includes Interstate 55 between miles marked 20 and 31, Interstate 4, 74, and 5, and 14. This is a severe thunderstorm warning, and folks, this line could have a punch of some damage and straight line winds, and we need to be very aware of this dangerous line of thunderstorms that could produce some wind damage. If you live in Pekin, you need to be in your safe spot. Take this as a tornado, folks. Go to the lowest floor of a building. Make sure you put many walls between you as possible. Just get away from windows. This line of storms in Pekin could produce brief tornadoes and widespread wind damage. So please, take this line of thunderstorms very seriously. Go to your safe spot. Go to the lowest floor. Make sure you have a mattress between you as you can. This is what I've been talking about. This line of thunderstorms in the last couple hours we've been dealing with. And this is a line of storms, and I just got Carlos the same from Storm Community here. He's saying winds up the golf ball size hail with the storm. Isaac saying the storm is a severe thunderstorm with 80 miles of gust with it. And there has been some measured gusts in Floating County. From a train spotter at 11:40, several trees snapped and heavy damage to barns. Wind speeds up to 80 to 90 miles an hour. So please, folks, take this as a tornado. You got to get somewhere. Go to the basement. Just get away from the windows in case the storm would produce trees that could fall on top of you. So we'll stay with us just for a little bit. I'll read reports coming in. We have reports coming in of numbers of trees that have been snapped and damaged. Power lines, barns are downed with 80 miles of gust. We even had reports coming in of several barns and wind speeds up to 80 to 90 miles an hour. So please, you got to take this storm very seriously. Go to your tornado safe spot. It's under a stairway or a basement if you have one. You got to take this very seriously. I mean, I know it's about 12:26 in the morning. We're going to be with you just for a little bit. Starting to get more reports of downed trees and power lines on Route 41. And we already have several reports of that. So you got to take these storms very seriously. Right now, we've been tracking this one complex been blowing up in the last couple hours, and it's stretching from Iowa. So you got to take these warnings very seriously and take advantage of these, because we've been having trees and shingles been blown over, and the atmosphere has tons of battery with this. So look at this. We only have reports of 4-inch hail with some of these storms. So large hail is going to continue for the nighttime hours. with this complex, and it's continuing to blow up here, and we've been having some big explosions of these storms. But the reason why we broke in just for a minute or two is because these storms here are very serious. 70 miles a gust. If you live in Pekin, you need to get to your tornado safe spot. This storm could produce winds over 80 miles an hour. That is enough to cause tree damage. We already had reports of barns been destroyed, stuff like that. We definitely have to take these very seriously right now. I know it's about midnight. I mean, we have to really be aware of these storms. And let's see what we got in place. I'm reading here from the Weather Service. Just let me check here on Storm Chat. We gotta have to. Alright, this one bad thunderstorm will expire about 1 a.m. But like I said, we already have hail reported too. But this is some significant gusts I was gonna pass along to everyone. So I'm gonna put a track on this. We'll probably send it back. I know a lot of people probably wouldn't, but like I said here, we got these storms moving towards Clinton. Chapman, be ready in case this hold together. So up here in Pierce area, that's holding together. If Lincoln, be ready, it's coming at you. We already got multiple reports over here of trees and barns have been snapped from this. So even we could get brief spin-up tornadoes. That's what we have to watch for circulations like this. If they can spin, you could get a brief tornado just like we've been seeing. So we would have to watch this. So let me check in Storm Community Chat for a second. I know it's getting late. And any reports? So folks, if you're just joining this, I know it's late tonight, early in the morning hours. We're tracking a huge complex of damage and straight line winds. And we've been talking about this for the last couple days. I just got a message from somebody here. He's saying, Ramsey says, be safe out there. Thank you. Everybody needs to be safe. And like I said, if you have to travel in this tonight, I know a lot of people, some people work at middle of the night. Please, if you see a lot of trees down, do not try to pass it. There's going to be a lot of trees down. We have several barns have been destroyed with this whole situation. So just let the storm community clean it up. I know people have no power right now, and the house is going to be hot. I understand because I went through these storms events many times when we have no power. So right now, we still got a severe thunderstorm watch through 5 o'clock in the morning. Just going to give everybody a follow-up update on that. Pekin still under that severe thunderstorm warning about 1 a.m. And we still got some stuff over here in parts of Terre Haute. Not Terre Haute. But some of these storms are still big. So this is a severe thunderstorm warning that goes through about 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm just going to pass along some information. If we get some new damage coming in, and we'll probably pop on again. And I'm planning on coming back here around 4 a.m. in the morning to get to come back into work and get things going. I'm Vice Forecaster JD Rapp with you, Illinois Storm Watch Forecaster. The whole team will be with you tonight, cutting in, and I'll be back in if we need to. For right now, we'll send you right